Hello and welcome to I Nurture videos. In this video, we will discuss about the concept of OSI model. At the end of this video, you will be able to define the OSI model, explain the 7 layers of OSI model. The 7 layers of the OSI model are physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer and application layer. These 7 layers are categorized into lower layers and higher layers. The first 4 layers are considered as lower layers and last 3 are considered as higher layers. The lower layers of OSI model deal with electrical signals, binary data and data across networks. The higher layers of OSI model deal with network requests and responses, presentation of data and network protocols from the user point of view. Let's discuss all the 7 layers of OSI model. Physical layer is first layer of the OSI model, which transmits digital data bits from one device to another device over network. The physical layer provides the hardware means of sending and receiving data on a carrier, including defining cables and cards. Some examples of devices and protocols that work on this layer include Ethernet, FDDI and RJ45. The second layer of OSI model is the data link layer. This layer encodes and decodes the data packets that it receives and transmits to the physical layer. The data link layer handles errors in the physical layer, flow control and frame synchronization. The data link layer is divided into 2 sublayers, the media access control (MAC) layer and logical link control (LLC) layer. The MAC sublayer controls how a computer on the network gains access to data and permission to transmit it. The LLC layer controls frame synchronization, flow control and error checking. The third layer OSI model is network layer, which examines the source and destination address to determine if the data has reached its correct destination. Network layer arranges data into packets and delivers them to the transport layer of OSI model. This layer provides switching and routing technologies, creating logical paths known as virtual circuits for transmitting data from node to node. The fourth layer of OSI model is the transport layer, which delivers the data across network connections. It chunks the layer messages from session layer and delivers it to the destination. Transmission Control Protocol or TCP is the example of a transport layer. The fifth layer of OSI model is session layer. It allows the applications to share a common connection. The connection is referred as session. Each session in the network is related to a particular port. Therefore, it is sometimes called as port layer. The session layer also manages the sequence and flow of applications. It supports various types of connections on the networks. The sixth layer of OSI model is presentation layer. It is the part of the operating system which translates data between the application layer and the network. It handles syntax processing of message data such as format, conversions and encryption, decryption. Therefore, it is also referred as the syntax layer. Presentation layer ensures the information readability and translates, encrypts and compresses the data. Now, seventh and the last layer of the OSI model is the application layer. It is the highest layer of the OSI model. It supplies network services to end user applications. Application layer provides the interface between network protocols and the computer software. Email, telnet and FTP works at the application layer. Let us have a quick recap on what we discussed. The OSI model defines a networking framework and implements the protocols in layers. The 7 layers of OSI model can be categorized in 2 parts. Lower layer, which include the physical layer, data link layer, network layer, and transport layer. Higher layers, which include the session layer, presentation layer, and application layer. Thank you for watching this video.